In this video, we will show you how to access RTF email. In here, there is two methods we can use to access our RTF emails. The first, by default, when you archive the message or inbox from your Gmail, for example, like this. This is from jot form. Okay, we will archive this message, and it will remove or hidden in the inbox. But you can still find the archive message on the all email. Okay, this is little bit confused indeed in Gmail. Okay, for the interface. But if you access this all email, you will have the jot form. You can see there. And the number second, okay, the number second method, you can creating labels like this. For example, in here we can click our archive. Okay, let's add one message, and this is clearer more than using default archive by Google. For example, from Google Play, okay, we can tick this and select this to archive message. Okay, more clear, you can move to and select my archive labels. Now when you click my archive in here, you can find the only your archive message using your label. And you can also just, for example, drag and drop look like this. And when you click my archive labels, you have for the inbox. How to create the labels? First, you can click this create new label, and you cannot give the name archive because it's refer to all inbox or Gmail. If you try to click create button, you can see there you can create a label name archive. It's reserved system label. Okay, you can add the archive by adding archive mail, for example, like this. Just click create. Okay, now you have archive mail. When you have inbox, you can just drag and drop look like this, for example, and you can see there. Or you select the important image or the important message, then click move to and select your archive mail. So rather than you are click all emails in here, it's easier you can access by label look like this. And that's all tutorial how to access archive mail on the Gmail. Hope this video helpful for you.